Okay, yes, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. We are currently on the VIX 25 1 Ace. So this morning we've been observing the crash 300. We've given out C300 for a buy, but we earlier on gave out VIX 25 1 Ace for a sell, of which is giving us much profit, and we're totally happy that we are in this trade. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like the video, and also see reasons with me why we're going to be going into this trade. So we want to scalp this. I want to show you scalping, how to scalp using this strategy. So we are just going to scalp, looking for if you could give us at least $50 or more on this particular before the video is over, then we've made good profit. So let's get into buying. We're using 2 lot size. Yeah, I have my equity. My equity is actually huge, so we have opened 2, 4, 6, 8 positions. Okay, let's see what that 8 position can give to us. So we bought, and here is going to be where we are putting our SL, because we don't want to be too, in case it doesn't go our way, we don't want to lose too much. So our SL is somewhere around here, while our TP is here. I think our TP1 is here, TP2 here. So why did we go into this trade? Taking a look at the 15 minutes, this is support. So there's been a lot of pullbacks here. Market went up, came down, retested this region. So this retest is actually what's giving us the confidence to get into this trade. Okay, and looking at the VIX 25 1S, why did we go in for a sell? Wow, almost too close to our TP, but it's rejecting, of course. So why did we go into this? Looking at the higher time frame, we went in for a sell from this position here. You see this pullback. This pullback was a very, very vital. It played a vital role, which let's see it on the higher time frame, the H1. It played a vital role. See, market came, gave us this pullback. This was actually a doji candle, but it was a tactics by the market. Like, I'm just saying it's a tactics by the market because it was like a prank. Okay, that candlestick was a prank, which gave birth to this particular candlestick that was a bigger prank. So when I saw this first prank and this bigger prank to take out the buyers and this huge pullback, I said, hell no, we have to go into it, because this huge pullback, okay, was very important for us. Okay, this huge pullback played a vital role. So when this huge pullback came, I actually had to go into the market because it gave us a strong sell. Okay, this market was already a downtrend. Then it gave us a strong selling option, and we were able to risk. It was worth risking and getting into the market. So this is what I'm talking about. Looking at the 30 minutes. So you have to always play in between time frames, okay, so that you can understand the market very well. So if you see now, it's on the 30 minutes time frame that we are able to see this clearly. You see this is where our SL is set, because this is where the retest happened before this pullback started. So we got into this trade and kept our SL at the previous pullback, okay, where market started selling from. Like, after it touched, it started selling from there. We had to place our SL there and go in for a sell. You see, also another thing is that we were not trading against the trend. This has been selling. This is a downtrend. It has been selling. Now market is trying to reject from our TP. Why? Because that is a support. That level is a level of support. So you see it here. This is a level of support, but we are actually hopefully it's going to break the H4. It's going to break this candle, this H4 candle is going to break it first before starting to pull back again. So let's go back to visit our crash 300. So the reason we went into that, I've shown you the reason. There was a pullback. There was a kind of prank candlestick which went to take out the buyers before coming down to sell again. It just was very, very crafty. So let's go back to crash 300 and see how we're doing. How are we doing on the crash 300? Okay, so on the crash 300, there was a spike, but we are still in profit of buying. So why did we go into this? I've told you already. This position here, you see here, it's a support, and this is actually an uptrend, not trading against the trend. We are not trading against the trend, so that is actually an uptrend. Although this candlestick, you see the rejections here, buying, coming down, buying and coming down, is just to show that that the sellers are actually losing grasp of the market. So we are the buyers. We, of course, I'm a buyer right now. We are in control of the market. So currently, well, we are able to count $3 on each position, which we look forward to making more. And while our 25-1 has already blessed us this morning, we are waiting for the crash 300 to bless us before the afternoon, let's say before 1 o'clock, because that's when the H4 will be closing. So we are actually confident that bigger things are coming. So if you want to join the VIP group, check on the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my Telegram channel. It's free to join. The Telegram channel is free to join. But if you want to join the VIP, check the description of this video. You find my WhatsApp number. You hit me up and I will tell you the process of joining a VIP. Or if you want to learn, of course, learning is very, very vital. So you can do this on your own. You hit me up on the WhatsApp number. Or if you don't have the time to trade, okay, you don't have the time to trade, but you have the equity, you have the capital, but you don't have the time to trade, or you cannot actually trade, or you're scared of trading because you're scared of losing, we are here to help you make that work out. So currently, wow, so $5, we are looking at $6 per position. That is like 6 times. We are looking at almost 100. We are heading to $100 on the crash 300 alone for now. So guys, make sure you join the VIP and you are gonna have good signals for you to win trades. So as you can see, we've been hitting TP. We gave, here was our sell step index. I mean, we've been hitting TPs. That's what we do. So make sure you join us and you're gonna be a profitable trader even without knowing how to trade. So here the crash 300 is still going, but our VIX 25, I decided not to hit TP yet. So we're just gonna be patient. So you see that the analysis I gave on the crash 300 is actually working. So already you can see that we've already accumulated over $100 from just that trade, and we are heading to see if we can get $20 on each position and more and more. So this is how the magic works. So since 25 I decided not to hit at TP yet, I'm going to close out on some positions and let some positions run. That is just the right way to do it, because you know that place, as I showed you on the chart, is actually let's go back to the chart. Okay, so where I showed you, you see it's actually a reversal, a place where the market is a reverse from. That's where my TP was there. So to be on the safe side, it's just best that we take what it has given to us and we leave the market. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.